Merrick Bank Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if one credit card could quietly repair your credit while you go about your normal life, without complicated rewards, confusing rules, or hidden tricks? Most people get the Merrick Bank Credit Card wrong, because they think it is just another basic card. The surprising truth is that it has become one of the most reliable tools for rebuilding damaged credit. Merrick Bank is known for approving people with fair, poor, or limited credit histories. If you have had past late payments, collections, or even a bankruptcy, this card is often easier to qualify for than many mainstream credit cards. The Merrick card does not require a security deposit. That alone makes it appealing for people who do not have extra cash to tie up. Your initial credit limit is modest, but your activity is reported to all three major credit bureaus, which is the most important factor for rebuilding. Here is where the real opportunity starts. Merrick regularly reviews your account for automatic credit limit increases. Many cardholders see their credit line double within the first year without any extra deposit. That means your credit utilization ratio improves, which can quickly raise your credit score. There are no rewards on this card, and that is actually a good thing for rebuilders. Rewards can encourage spending. Merrick encourages stability, consistent payments, and controlled use. You also get fraud protection, online account access, mobile payments, and simple statements that make tracking your balance easy. Now let's talk about the cost. There is an annual fee, and interest rates are higher than premium cards. That means this card is not designed to carry balances. The smartest strategy is to use the card for a few small monthly purchases, then pay it off in full every month. If you do that, the card can quietly rebuild your score while costing very little. Who should get it? People rebuilding credit who do not want to deal with deposits or complicated programs. Who should skip it? Anyone with good or excellent credit, or anyone who plans to carry balances. Verdict: worth it for rebuilding credit simply and reliably. Leave it if you already qualify for better cards.